Okay, good morning. Today I will see how my sweet potatoes did. All the leaves have fallen off. Usually they say when the leaves turn brown, that means the potatoes are ready. So I'm going to dump that bag and see what we have. Get the tarp. Yeah, I didn't check for Thanksgiving, which was the plan. So let's see what we have. I didn't bring my mic, so you probably won't hear me, but I'll add it in. Let's see, bring it in a little closer. Okay, let's see what we got. When I did this last year, it was so funny. My sister was here, Marsha, and there was one potato. She was so excited. I was excited, but it didn't work. So hopefully we have better luck today. Wow, roots coming out the bottom. I guess that's a good sign. Oh, see one. Like a little. That's a nice fat worm. But you know what? Don't look like I had maybe better luck, because last year this is what I had. Just one. So today there's a bunch of little ones. So that's progress. Progress. Amen. And that's the thing with gardening. Every year you learn something, you do better. Oh wow. Look at there. That one was on its way to my size. So I don't know what I could have done better. Maybe bigger space instead of the grow bag. That's probably what it is. Should be in a either in a raised bed on the ground or just a bigger planting space. But the thing is, I did better than last year. I don't know what I can do with that other than put it in the compost. That would be funny if I put it in a compost pile and get a bigger sweet potato. It's all roots. Alright. There you have